My name is Tim Moher, and I'm standing right here at the Registry Theatre in the city of Kitchener. Formerly, for the Waterloo County, it was the Land Registry, but now it's an arts venue for many local, national, and international artists. So as you can see right here at the Registry Theatre, we are all set up for a big band concert. At the time of this recording, KW Big Band Theory is here. But in April, in fact, Friday, April 11th at 8 p.m., we have a Paul Desmond tribute band. If you're a fan of Paul Desmond or Dave Brubeck, let's celebrate Paul's 100th birthday this year with a tribute to his story and his music here at the Registry.